my dear students. We continue with the lesson 1 of your book, First Flight, and the name of the chapter is A Letter to God. Let us recapitulate the story. In this chapter, you have seen how Lencho, who is the main character of the story, his field is all destroyed by the hailstorm. And now, with his firm faith in God, he writes a letter to God. And he asks for 100 pesos. This 100 pesos is a currency of many Latin American countries. And now when he has written the letter, when the postmaster and the postman, they open the letter, because that letter is addressed to God, they laugh first of all, and then they are shaken by the firm faith of Lencho in God. Now we come to page number 6, paragraph number 2. So in order not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea. Answer the letter. Now, postmaster also did not want to shake the Lencho's faith in God, so he decided that they will answer the letter. When he opened it, it was evident that to answer it, he needed something more than goodwill, ink and paper. And now, naturally, when he opened the letter, it was evident means clear, okay, he needs something more than goodwill, more than ink and paper. He has to give the money. But he stuck to his resolution. But वो अपना resolution जो था, resolution means his determination कि मैं लेंचो के लेटर को रिप्लाई करूँगा. He was firm on that. He asked for money from his employees. He himself gave part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. Now, but he was stuck to his resolution. उसे पक्का था कि अब पैसे तो देने पड़ेंगे. So he asked for his employees. He took some part from his own salary. He asked his friends to do charity. It was impossible for him to gather together the 100 pesos. So he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. And naturally it was impossible. उनके लिए बड़ा मुश्किल हो गया 100 pesos को करना. तो उन्होंने हाफ से ज़्यादा कलेक्ट कर लिया. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lencho, and with it a letter containing only a single word as a signature, God. And he wrote a letter in which he wrote God, like God has written the letter. Now see these questions, oral comprehension check, I will send you at the back after the chapter is over. Okay, now we continue with the chapter, page 6. The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. Now Lencho को पक्का यकीन था कि उसके लेटर का जो है वो reply आएगा. So he comes to the post office. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. So now came postman. He handed the letter to him, और postmaster दूर से देखता रहा कि let me see the contentment. Contentment means satisfaction, कि मैं देखता हूँ लेंचो के फेस में कितना satisfaction आएगा ये लेकर. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. अब Lencho was not even surprised, बिल्कुल भी उन्हें surprise नहीं हुआ वो पैसे लेकर. Such was his confidence, क्योंकि उसका confidence इतना ज़्यादा था God में. But he became angry when he counted the money. God could not make a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. अब उसे लगा कि God तो mistake कर ही नहीं सकते. God ने तो पूरा मनी दिया होगा जितना उसने मांगा. Immediately, Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. और Lencho दोबारा से विंडो पे जाता है. He asked for paper and ink. On the public writing table, he started to write, with much wrinkling of his brow, caused by the effort he had to make to express his idea. और बड़ा wrinkling, अपनी bro को बड़ा wrinkle करके, मतलब with very sadness. Wrinkling of his brow means with unhappiness. He wrote the letter. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp, which he licked. अब उसने स्टैम्प लिया, उसको लिख कर एंड देन अफिक्स्ड टू द एनवलप विद द ब्लो ऑफ हिज फिस्ट. फिस्ट मीन्स अपने हाथ से उसने उसको ऐसे ब्लो किया, उसको लगाया. द मोमेंट लेटर फेल इन टू द मेल बॉक्स, द पोस्ट मास्टर वेंट टू ओपन इट. और जैसे ही उसने मेल बॉक्स में उसको डाला, पोस्ट मास्टर हर्रिडली वेंट एंड सॉ. इट सेड, गॉड, ऑफ द मनी दैट आई आस्क्ड फॉर ओनली 70 pesos रीच्ड मी. उसने लिखा, गॉड, जितना मैंने मांगा था उसमें सिर्फ मुझे 70 pesos मिला है. सेंड मी द रेस्ट, मुझे बाकी पैसे भी दे दीजिए. सिंस आई नीड इट वेरी मच, बट डोंट सेंड इट टू मी थ्रू द मेल. बट मुझे मेल के थ्रू मत भेजिएगा, बिकॉज द पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज़ आर अ बंच ऑफ क्रूक्स. क्योंकि वो कहता है कि जितने भी ये पोस्ट ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, वर्कर्स हैं, दे आर crooks. Crooks means they are डिसऑनेस्ट एंड ही थॉट कि जो पोस्ट ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं उन्होंने उसके पैसे रख लिए, दे हैव नॉट गिवन द मनी Lencho, and down he signed his name Lencho. So see the story. I love the simplicity of this man Lencho, how he has found faith in God and he writes कि कैसे उसके साथ dishonesty हुई है, उसके पैसे रख लिए हैं. So this was a beautiful story, and again this oral comprehension check. All these questions down you see thinking about the text. I am sending you these questions all one by one. You please do them in the book itself. And the question afterwards I'll send that question 1 or 2 that you do in your fair copy, that I will mark differently. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this chapter, please let me know.